In the cities, where you spend a great amount of your time on the road, you experience a lot of traffic on a daily basis, always with someone calling or texting while you drive. To avoid the inevitable consequences of irresponsible drivers and the unnecessary arguments at the courthouse, to document a truthful record of accidents, you need a device that can keep track of what happens on the road, that you can always rely on. We believe in a product that can secure and enhance your driving experience with an intuitive and powerful camera device. Built for high performance and reliability, introducing the third generation Rexing V1 DashCam with an optional premium upgrade. The Core Ultra HD camera, with a wide field of view, the best of its kind, enables maximum picture resolution and clarity. With its wide dynamic range technology and advanced image sensor, the V1 automatically adapts to any light condition. We enhanced the way dashcams record. Loop recording will automatically overwrite the oldest files, allowing you to keep recording with no interruptions. The G sensor smartly identifies collisions of the vehicle, enables auto lock of the current video, ensuring your most important footage is kept protected. We also simplified the way dashcams communicate and transfer data with the third generation Rexing V1's colorful LED display, GPS capability, and Wi-Fi video transfer features. Built for high durability, the Rexing V1 allows continuing high performance in an extreme temperature environment. Discreet design of the lightweight body with its black finish and low-profile form, Rexing V1 can be easily disguised behind the window shield, documenting your road trips and securing your daily drives with its undemanding characteristics. Engineered for quality, designed for reliability. The Rexing DashCam, your roadside witness.
The HD Pro Plus has auto power on and off, so you never need to remember to turn it on. It comes with built-in GPS. Simply use software on the PC to view alongside a map. Sony Exmor sensors are included for exceptional night vision. This camera comes with live zoom, supports up to 64GB Class 10 memory card.
Today we're unboxing the HD Pro Plus camera from WheelWitness. When you get your HD Pro Plus camera, you'll see it arrive in this great packaging. Open it up and you'll find your camera displayed right on top. Simply remove the camera and you'll have access to all the additional parts and pieces that WheelWitness has included. You'll find your suction cup mount, your USB power cord, a USB power connector, an additional cord. You'll also have your micro SD memory card. First, you start by removing the suction cup mount. You'll notice the plastic film on the back. Simply remove that, then you'll place it onto the windshield behind the rear view mirror. Apply gentle pressure to remove air bubbles and create a smooth seal. Prior to mounting your dash cam, you'll open up your memory card holder. You'll grab your smallest SD HD memory card and remove it from the package. You'll insert it into the bottom of the camera and press it in until it clicks. Next, you'll take your HD dash cam and mount it using the swivel arm already attached to your windshield. You'll notice the port on top that easily attaches. Simply slide it in until it clicks and feels secure. Next, you'll grab the USB power adapter and plug it into your vehicle's port. You'll notice it's connected to power when the red light illuminates. Next, you'll take your power cable, identify the USB connector end, and plug it in to your power source. You'll take the small end and attach it directly to the side of your camera. You'll know it's attached to power when it automatically turns on and the red light illuminates at the top. You're now ready to start using your HD Pro Plus Premium Dash Camera from WheelWitness.
Hi guys, today we're going to be doing an experiment with the Rove DashCam A1. So I'm going to set the temperature to 80 degrees centigrade, which is around 170 degrees Fahrenheit, and I've set that for 10 minutes. Okay, the camera is still looking great. So now we're going to put it back in, and this time, for another 10 minutes, we're going to turn it up to 200 degrees centigrade, which is nearly 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so after 10 minutes in the oven, you can see that the camera has started to melt, but it's not burned at all, and on the inside, the battery hasn't combusted.
If you're interested in buying one of this product, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment, and to subscribe. As always, thank you for watching.